Guys, enjoy lang kayo dyan. Watch lang kayo dyan. At ipashare ko kayo dito sa London. London! Ah. Yun o. Kita nyo. Whoops.
The reason we didn't get a hop on, hop off tour this time is because everything in London is close to go. Not like Paris. It's slow. I'm not sure about this.
Enjoy lang kayo guys. Ako nang bahala umasyal sa inyo dito sa London guys. London. Umaga pa lang dito. Nila oh. 10 o'clock in the morning dito sa London. Kami ay nag-iikot-ikot.